Joby Aviation. Let's deep dive into the S4. Well guys, we're back with another daily eVTOL video. So today we're diving into Joby's S4 aircraft. So whether you're a beginner or you're just an aviation enthusiast, I promise you'll find something valuable in this content. The landscape of urban mobility is on the brink of a profound transformation with the advent of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. At the forefront of this revolution is Joby Aviation with its S4 eVTOL. It's poised to redefine transportation in urban environments. This next few minutes will offer an in-depth exploration into the S4, covering its design, technological innovations, operational capabilities, and strategic vision behind its development. The S4's design balances form and function, featuring a sleek aerodynamic body that not only minimises drag, but also presents an appealing futuristic look. Its large canopy offers panoramic views, enhancing passenger experience with a sense of openness and connectivity with the environment. The S4 is designed to accommodate a pilot plus 4 passengers, optimising for both payload and efficiency in urban travel. With 6 electrically powered propellers, the S4 can transition smoothly from vertical to forward flight, then back to landing, utilising a vector thrust approach for both takeoff and landing phases. Its design includes a high wing configuration, with a wingspan of about 39 feet, providing lift in forward flight and stability during transitions. Hold up! We're the fastest growing eVTOL community on YouTube, so make sure to catch the train on this growing community early and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our new supporters page in the comments. We're planning on getting Joel Ben and Adam Goldstein to try and do an interview with us. We want to try and be like the Rocket Lab channels and spearhead this sector. The larger the community, the easier it will be to get this interview. The S4 employs a distributed electric propulsion system, where each motor has dual windings for redundancy, which then enhances safety. The aircraft's power comes from the lithium-ion battery packs, which are actively cooled to manage thermal efficiency. The S4 then features a sophisticated fly-by-wire system that not only simplifies pilot controls, but also enables autonomous capabilities, crucial for future operation, where pilotless might become standard. Remember X-Wing. Advanced battery management systems ensure optimal power usage, safety, and longevity of the batteries, addressing one of the key concerns in eVTOL operations, the energy capacity and reliability. Switching over to the speed and range of the S4, it boasts a range of 150 miles on a single charge, with cruising speeds of up to 200 miles an hour, which will make it ideal for short to medium urban hops. So if you're wondering about why they went pilotless to piloted transition, initially the S4 testing was conducted without a pilot, but as of today it's then progressed to testing with a pilot, indicating significant advancements in operational readiness. Extensive testing has also focused on noise reduction, aiming to make the S4 quieter than your traditional helicopter, which is crucial for gaining public and regulatory acceptance in urban settings. Joby Aviation has been actively engaging with the FAA, having completed several phases of testing necessary for certification. The process includes vigorous assessments of the aircraft structural integrity, the electrical systems, and flight controls. Now let's get into the exciting topics of strategic partnerships and commercialization plans for the S4. Production and infrastructure is a key one to highlight here. Joby has established a production facility in Marina, California, and a larger manufacturing site in Dayton, Ohio, which signals its commitment to scaling production for commercial services. The development of vertiports will be crucial though, with Joby planning to collaborate with cities and existing airport infrastructure to integrate these into new transit hubs. So what is Joby's market strategy for the S4? So speaking first about the US, initially Joby is targeting cities like New York and Los Angeles. Joby aims to connect urban centres with airports and major business districts, reducing commute time significantly. In regards to international expansion plans, Joby then plans to include potential service launches in places like Dubai, where urban density and interest in futuristic mobility solutions align with Joby's vision. Let's now look at the military and governmental applications for the S4. So Joby's eVTOL has been delivered to the US Air Force for testing, exploring applications in logistics, personal transport, and potentially in tactical scenarios where quiet operation and electric nature could provide strategic advantages. Beyond military use, the S4's capabilities could extend to public services, like emergency medical transportation, where speed and silence are beneficial to densely populated areas. Now it's time for the bears. We know you love it. Let's talk about the S4's challenges and considerations. So guys, if you're a bull, please give me your thoughts around these 3 challenges. So at number 1, we have regulatory hurdles. Despite progress, the path to full commercial operation involves navigating complex regulatory landscapes, ensuring compliance with safety standards and secure and airspace integration. At number 2, we have acceptance by the public, particularly concerning noise and safety. This always remains a challenge, but Joby's focus on noise reduction and safety is aimed to address these concerns. At number 3, we have developing necessary infrastructure like vertiport networks. This requires significant investment and coordination with urban planners and local government. Now let's look at the future prospects and technological roadmap. So first, for technological advancements, Joby is looking at integrating next-gen battery technologies, possibly moving towards solid-state batteries for increased energy density and safety. With autonomy, while piloted, the S4's design allows for future autonomous operations. This will potentially revolutionise urban air mobility by reducing operational costs and increasing service frequencies. At 3, we have environmental impact. By a zero-emission vehicle, the S4 contributes to reducing urban air pollution, aligning with global efforts towards sustainability. Now I know what you're thinking, I can already hear it. You're going to say, where's the hydrogen? But let me just first say this about the electric-only model first. Joby Aviation's S4 eVTOL represents more than just an advancement in aircraft technology. It's a vision of the future where urban travel is faster, cleaner and more integrated with city fabric. As of today, Joby stands on the verge of turning this vision into a reality, facing the dual task of technological refinement and societal integration. The S4 could not only transform how we think about getting from A to B in cities, but it can also how cities themselves are designed and lived in. This will offer a cleaner, quieter, more efficient mode of transport. The journey of the S4 from concept to daily commuter is symbolic of the broader shift towards sustainable high-tech solutions in air mobility. Let's now talk about the hydrogen. I need you guys to drop in the comments all the information you have so we can do a deep dive in the hydrogen aircraft. Oh, and if you want to know if you can be a millionaire with your Joby shares, I'll meet you here next.